I've been chasing dreams in the city lights, never sleeping till it's alright. I ain't got time for no fake friends or lies, just me and my crew under the neon skies. We built this from scratch, now we on top of the world. Every dollar earned was worth the struggle. Now they talking about us like we're legends, but we know the real battle is still to be won. Can't stop the momentum, we keep moving forward. Every scar on my body tells a story of power. They tried to break us, but we rose from the ground. Now watch us shine brighter than any crown. We the kings of the night, stars in our eyes, turning pain into purpose, turning shadows to light. From the bottom to the top, we wrote our own script. This is what we made, and we ain't done yet. I see the doubters in the corner seats, but I'm already winning while they count the defeat. Got the whole team locked in, we running the show. Every track we drop, it's different somehow. You can try to hold us back, but you'll fail. We don't play by your rules, we set our own trail. Every step we take echoes through the halls. Our legacy written in ink that won't fall. We the kings of the night, stars in our eyes, turning pain into purpose, turning shadows to light. From the bottom to the top, we wrote our own script. This is what we made, and we ain't done yet. We ain't done yet. They said we never make it past the first gate, but we broke every chain and opened the gate. Now we stand tall where the haters once stood. The future is ours and we claim it loud. I remember the nights when we had nothing, just a dream and a will to get something. Now we flying high on the wings of success, but we stay grounded, never forgetting the stress. This is what we made.